Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use LRF file. Start by confirming your device supports LRF and locate the file on your computer. Connect the reader via USB or use a trusted cloud service. Then copy the LRF into the reader's books or documents folder. Avoid changing extensions, eject safely, and refresh the library to see the book appear ready to open and read on your device. To open an LRF file, power on the reader and ensure firmware supports LRF. Connect with USB or Cloud Sync and copy the file into the correct folder, then safely eject the device. Use the library refresh or restart the reader if the title does not display, and check for corrupted downloads by testing another LRF file or loading the same file on a different compatible device. Quick recommendation and a tiny ad. If you enjoy reading on the go, the Kindle Paperwhite makes ebooks look great with a crisp screen and long battery life. Perfect for testing converted LRF files or carrying a big collection. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When conversion is needed, choose a reliable converter app that preserves layout and metadata. Load the LRF, pick EPUB or MOBI output, adjust font and margin settings if available. Then run the conversion and inspect the resulting file on your device or emulator. Keep the original LRF until you confirm formatting and chapters transferred correctly, and backup files before bulk conversions to avoid accidental loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.